Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one here, so certainly updates need to be done, and I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But the first thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So that level right there at the 23.75 mark was an area of support going in today. And to be fair, it did actually do a fantastic job right there. Beautiful bounce off that level. Try to hold right there, but eventually the price did drop down below there. So 23.75 now considered an area of resistance. And that's where the big question mark resides, meaning if the price can go sideways and then start to work its way back upwards, the big question mark becomes, okay, can the price not necessarily get up to 23.75, but can the price have enough strength to get up there and then fight above it and stay above it? So from that angle of things, 23.75 will be very, very important to watch moving forward. If the price can't get up through that level, then yeah, at that point you can start to focus more so on 24.50-ish, but one hurdle at a time, and the first key hurdle in the near term again being right there at the 23.75 mark. As far as next potential areas of support moving forward into Thursday, next key level to watch very closely going to be right down here at the 23.15 mark, and then after 23.15, next key level after that would then be down there right around the 22.85 mark. So keep an eye on those couple areas of support moving forward. But as of right now, yeah, things are there. It's hanging in there, but it's getting a little sketchy, especially if I throw that trend line right there into play. You can see that the trend line has actually been violated. So it's just a question now of, is this the beginning of a much bigger move to the downside? Let's see how the next couple of days play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.